Hello, sixth graders. We are moving on to lesson 12 today for math. So we're looking at taking our ratio tables to double number line diagrams. So take the information from the ratio table and make a double number line out of it. So just for reference, this is what a double number line looks like. So we have your normal number line that would have like 1, 2, 3, so on. So your double number line, one of the lines is going to be one side of the ratio table, and then the other one, the other side, and then they'll match up according to the ratios. Okay? For example, 4 to 12, so we have 412, 824, and so on. All right, so let's look at this one already. A 12-ounce bottle of sport drink contains 21 grams of sugar. If Claudia wants the maximum number of grams of sugar she drinks to be 7, how many ounces of the sport drink can she have? Well, we already know there's 12 ounces, has 21 grams of sugar. So we're looking to find how many ounces has 7 grams of sugar. So we know that we can take 21 and divide it by 7 and get 3. So if we take 12 divided by 3, we can get our answer, which would then be 4. We also could count down with that, 7, 14, 21, then 12, 8, 4. Count on that way. So 4 ounces of sport drink will have 7 grams of sugar. And that's what we would put up there. All right, so we'll do another one together before you do one on your own. So it says the amount of sugary beverages Americans consume is a leading health concern for a given brand of cola. A 12-ounce serving of cola contains about 40 grams of sugar. Complete the ratio table using the given ratio to find equivalent ratios. So let's do that first. So if we cut 12 in half, we would get 6 and 20, and then we work our way up. Also 18 and 60, 24 and 80, 30 and 100, and 36 and 120. So now it says we want to determine how many grams of sugar would be in 34 ounces of cola. So we know that that's going to be between 100 and 120, because 34 is between 30 and 36. So we take our graph, our table and our double number line. So it's somewhere between this 100 and 120. So again, we know 34 is between 30 and 36. So 34 is 4/6, or 2/3 of the way from 30 to 36. Therefore, the amount of sugar in grams will be 2/3 of the way between 100 and 120. Okay, so if the intervals go by 20, we can find 2/3 of 20 and then add that to 100. So you can do that by taking 20 times 2, which is 40, and then divided by 3, or 40 over 3, which in a mixed number form gives us 13 and a third. So we add it to 100, we have 113 and a third grams of sugar and 34 ounces of cola. Okay, so this one I want you to do on your own, and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So it says a school cafeteria has a restriction on the amount of sugary drinks available to students. Drinks may not have more than 25 grams of sugar. Based on this restriction, what is the largest size cola in ounces the cafeteria can offer to students? We can see here that 6 ounces has 20 grams and 12 ounces has 40. So it's going to be between 20 and 40. Halfway between that is 30, but we need to know 25. So we can adjust our double number line here. So we need to know, we can figure it out in 5 increments, 25, 30, and 35. We know between 6 and 12. So we find 1/4 of 6 and then add it to 6. So we get 3 over 2. 3 over 2 plus 6 equals 15 over 2, or 7.5 ounces of cola. All right, so for your assignment, you're going to complete the questions for this lesson, lesson 12 on Edmodo. Due tomorrow, Wednesday. If you have any questions, let me know.